Good morning, students. Today's topic is continuation to the previous class, factors affecting on solubility of a solids in liquids. Another important factor is co-solvents. The solvent which are used to increase the solubility of drugs is called as co-solvents. This phenomenon is called as co-solvency. So most of the solutes are soluble in mixture of solvents than single solvent by the use of combination of a solvents used to increase the drug solubility. This process is called as co-solvency. The solvents are called as co-solvents. Examples of commonly used solvents are ethanol, propylene glycol, glycerin, polyethylene glycol 300 and polyethylene glycol 400. These are commonly used co-solvents. These are soluble in water. For example, undissociated form of phenobarbital is dissolved in water 1.2 grams per liter. When dissociated form of phenobarbital is dissolved in ethyl alcohol 13 grams per liter. So an ethyl alcohol is used as a co-solvent to increase the solubility of phenobarbital. So by using the combination of water and ethyl alcohol to increase the solubility. The concept of co-solvency can be used in manufacturing of various types of liquid dosage forms, syrups, elixirs, injections, creams and lotions. In addition to solvents, some supplementary solvents are also used. There are benzyl alcohol, dimethyl sulfoxide, dimethyl acetamide, dimethyl formamide. Next, another important parameter is temperature. Temperature will affect the solubility. It will either increase or decreases the solubility of a particular drug based upon the during this process absorbed energy or released energy. Based upon the parameter, the solubility of drugs can be depending. During this process, absorbed energy, the solubility can be increases as the temperature can be increases. If the solution release the energy when solubility will decreases as increasing the temperature, it means as the temperature can be increases, solution release the energy into atmosphere, the solubility of a particular drug can be decreases. Generally, increasing in temperature of the solution increase the solubility of a solute. If the solute is not soluble in normal water, when slightly heat them, all gases at the temperature of the solution can be increases, their solubility can be decreases. Examples and their process: exothermic process. During this process, heat can be absorbed. When potassium nitrate is dissolved in water, their solubility can be increases. Endothermic process. During this process, some amount or heat energy can be liberated, so solubility can be decreases. Calcium hydroxide and sodium carboxylene. For to study the effect of solubility on a drug based upon the temperature, studied by using solubility curves. Solubility, then plot a graph in between temperature in degrees centigrade is taken on x-axis and solubility in water gram for 100 ml is taken on y-axis. Obtain the solubility curves for observing the various types of drugs: potassium nitrate, potassium bromide, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate. For potassium nitrate, as the temperature can be increases, their solubility in water can be also increases. Sodium chloride, when the solubility of a water of sodium chloride slightly increases with temperature, and also as the temperature can be increases, solubility in water of KBr can be increases. In coming to sodium sulfate, there are available in hydrated forms. In the initially there are in hydrated form. As the temperature can be increases, solubility in water can be increases. It will reaches the unhydrated form. Their solubility can be decreases. Based upon the temperature, their solubility also can be changes. Common ion effect, it means common ion effect is the suppression of degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte containing a common ion. When the solubility of sparingly soluble salt is reduced in solution that containing an ion in common with the salt. Example, when the solubility of sparingly soluble electrolyte can be decreased by the addition of another electrolyte, these electrolyte containing the same ions present in the sparingly soluble electrolytes. By the addition of these two compounds, their solubility can be decreases due to presence of same ion in the another electrolyte decreases their solubility. This type of phenomenon is called as common ion effect. Example, sodium acetate to the solution of acetic acid suppress the dissociation of acetic acid which is already present. Addition of acetate ion supplied by the largely dissociated salt to the solution of acetic acid pushes the equilibrium to the left. In the same way, addition of hydrogen ions furnished by the addition of largely dissociated acids such as hydrochloric acid suppress the dissociation of the acetic acid. This common ion effect is a phenomenon which can influence the solubility of electrolytes by the suppressing the ionization of weak acids or bases. Effect of another electrolytes, when the solubility of sparingly soluble electrolyte can be increased by adding second electrolyte. The second electrolyte does not having the same ions present in the sparingly soluble electrolytes. By the use of these two type of components, solubility can be increases. The ions produced by the dissociation of electrolytes are strongly associated with oppositely charged ions. Surfactants, the solubility of a surfactants are act as a surface active agent reduce the interfacial tension between two phases. By the use of these surfactants, the solubility of drugs of poorly solubles can be increased by miscellaneous formation. The formation of miscellaneous enhances the solubility of poorly soluble drugs. This process is called as micellar solubilization. These surfactants are also having two portions, hydrophilic portion and hydrophobic portion, are added to the liquid form at miscellaneous. Examples: griseofulvin, vitamin A, D, K, and aspirin, chloramphenicol, and phenacetin are the most common drugs used for enhance their solubility. Surfactants are also having HLB value, hydrophilic lipophilic balance is above 13. Examples of surfactants: polysorbate, polyoxyl fortistearate, sodium lauryl sulfates. These surfactants are used to enclose the both hydrophilic drugs and hydrophobic drugs to enhance their solubility. Surfactants are having two portions, head portion and tail portion. There are existing single, there are in single monomer in aqueous medium form a miscellaneous. For solubilization of hydrophobic drugs, head portion is projected outwards and tail portion is projected into inwards. The inner portion is used for enclose the poorly soluble drugs. Similarly, in an aqueous medium, oil portion, the surfactant molecules are oriented in such a way manner their hydrophobic portion forces the minimum aqueous liquids and the hydrophilic portion resides the miscellaneous interior. The insoluble compounds such as water and aqueous solution of drug can be added to the surfactant solutions, enter the miscellaneous interior and get solubilized. By this process, to enclose the poorly soluble drugs and hydrophilic drugs are used to enhance their solubility. Complexation. Complexation are the process it can increase or decrease the solubility of the drugs. It is mainly depending on formation of complex is either what soluble or insoluble. If the complex is formed water soluble, the solubility can be increases. It is formed insoluble, solubility can be decreases. Examples: cyclodextrins forms soluble complexes with water, their solubility can be increases. Tetracyclines forms water insoluble complexes with various metal ions, cations, and also reacted with antacid preparations and milks. They form insoluble complexes due to presence of metal ions. Their solubility can be decreases. Examples: when iodide is normally insoluble, by the addition of potassium iodide it will converted into soluble complex like potassium iodide. It is a soluble form. Another example: iodine and povidone iodine combination uses increases the solubility in the form of povidone iodine. By the addition of zinc acid to the caffeine decreases the solubility of caffeine. Tetracyclines. These tetracyclines are taken along with calcium salts and magnesium salts, antacids, and milk products. They form insoluble complexes, decreases their solubility. Solute and solvent interactions, these are the most common factor will influence the solubility of a drugs. The stronger the interactions between the solute and solvents, it will enhance their solubility. The solute and solvent interactions are weak, they are having low soluble. These are the various types of factors which influencing on solubility of a solids in liquids. Thank you.